You got some honey.
Yeah, Subi. Dan? That's the thing, Han. Come here so you say hello. That's the link, sis. You click that. So you can come on my screen. And now what I do? Chat, chat, chat. Dan? How? Where are you here? I'm trying my friend Rosie to come here. Oh, there. There you go. I did add. What happened? Maybe it's loading. Oh, there you go. Siguro mahina yung signal, guys. Bear with us. Oh, there you go, Sis Glory. You're at work? Now, you know my FB. You add me. O, di ba? Dapat ganito na lang mag-live, no? Mami Pintas, to ni ba? Good evening, Sis Pasaway. Welcome to our live stream. Our live stream. This is my co-host, Glory Creation. Nandito na ako. Pasaway. Nalag siya, guys. Babalik na naman. Kukyana, good evening. Aloha. Yes. Happy Sunday, Philippines. Aloha all. Country road, take me home, West Virginia. We're in Oregon. Pasaway. From Kukyana. O, diba? Ang galing. Mm-hmm. The Bad Files. Oh, di ba? Pwede na kitang iwan dyan habang nag-UC ako. Ganito. You guys look cute. Ow! Thank you. Salamat, sis Kukiana. Yeah, she's Glory Creation. Cash Wilson, God bless you. Thank you. Peekaboo. What should I be having? Better like this. Di ba? Rino from B-Boy. Hey, hey, hey. Grace. Oh, say hello. This is my friend Glory on YouTube.
Glory.
Glory.
Howdy, howdy.
Howdy.
Howdy out west. We're high riding.
Ligo ta. Grace, isa. Saan kay Mark? Me too, I'm a little bit hungry but so I'm trying to smalling my stove. Yung chan ko, sabi ng pamangkin ko nung nakasaybi ako, sabi niya, ala, para kang buntis. Sabi ko, may stomach big. Gandang B-Boy.